Hey guys, I'm making just a quick video to show you the changes on infantry and cavalry in the battles. Trying to start a fight with Austria, but they're just going a little fast. Okay, they're locked. So in this stack, I only have infantry and cavalry. And since 1.33 update, as you can see, there are no infantry or cavalry in the back row. You can see I have 13k in reserves of infantry and 1k of cavalry. Nothing is in the back row. This change allows that if you bring cannons later in the battle, they can be placed directly in the back row. They fleet the battle, you couldn't see. So 27, only have infantry and cavalry. 28, boom, all the artillery is placed later. Okay, so the cannons arrived first, and then the infantry arrived. So you can see that the artillery can be placed in the front row, and it's a problem because they don't leave enough space for the infantry and cavalry to join. So of course you should never engage with artillery first, unless you just want to lose your fights. It won't change much because in a real game you just don't do that. You just make an army with both infantry, cavalry, and artillery. But it's just a nice change if you're like playing in multiplayer and have someone reinforcing the battle with more cannons, something like that. I think it also helps because the reserves unit takes more damage than when they were in the back row. So it's a little change. If you overstack your battles, you should still avoid having too much. Even if you have the 80% army professionalism bonus, doesn't change much. Your reserve will still take more damage for nothing. So yeah, that's it. Bye.